You can eat some puffs? Yeah.
You smiling because you know the camera's on you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's these? What are these? Come on, show me how you just did it like a big boy. Yeah. Good job.
Yum, yum, yum.
Get that finger out of there. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Here. What's this? You gonna have another one? I know, you're still not so sure about them, are you? Yeah. Show me how you eat them like a big boy. Ooh, there you go. Grab and go. You thought you did it all by yourself. That's a good job. Yeah. Well, you got your finger in there too, Goofy. Yum, yum. You gonna do it again? Like a big boy? Almost. Where is it? Is it stuck in your hand? He's feeling for it, you see? It's stuck in your hand. I'm sorry. Here, try it again. Try it again. It's stuck on your lip. It's stuck on your lip. There you go. Good job. You're goofy.